Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I brought you another tutorial and this time we are doing another IKEA hack. Basically I got a worktop. I don't think it's actually a worktop. I think they sell it as a desktop. I don't know. Anyway, I will pop that here and in the description box below as usually do. I only needed a smaller one, so I got that right here. The other thing I needed for this tutorial was something I ordered from eBay, and I will pop that like I usually do, everything in the description box below. It was a parcel tube, I think that's what it's called. I'm not too sure the correct term. It's basically a tube form of carton box that you use to post, I think, posters and things like that. Not too sure, but something like that. I got a huge one. It's literally 20 centimeter, the diameter of it, so it's like this big. Again, I will show you that, guys, in a second. So yeah, that's all what I needed, and obviously we needed some glue, adhesive, paint, and stuff like that. Yeah, so before I actually jump into it, what we're making today is a coffee table. So my living room is like 80% done. Yeah, I would say 80%. The 20% is missing all the decorations and all that is giving that cozy vibe and giving that homey touch, basically. So today we are collaborating with a company called Sloan. Oh my god, I absolutely love this company so much. Since even I moved over to the UK and when I lived in Hungary, I don't think it was available to shop this paint over there. And I remember I used to watch so many YouTubers, so many like DIY videos, and I always saw this paint that, oh my god, how is this paint? You can use this on so many surfaces. So my obsession's become then with this paint. So I knew when I came over and it was available for me, oh my god. So yeah, right behind me, all my collection right there, which hoping to fill this all up. Yeah, once I actually finished painting the entire room, and obviously I want to reorganize this. Like I want like a nice good garage for myself, and this side can be Cal's, so this side can be mine. But yeah, I'm not happy with it at the moment, and it's a mess because half of the stuff here needs to go into the house, but obviously just after I done something with them, so until that they stay here. Anyway, back to the story. So the company right here, oh my god, my nails. I'm sure, guys, you got used to this by now with all the DIY videos lately. Right, so this is the company, and these are some of the paint that they actually have, the paint color card, and more. So look at that, you have your main color, and obviously it explains everything, and it's so good. Oh my god, I just so in love with this chalk paint. So basically Sloan, it's a chalk paint, and now they also extended their collection to wall paint. So I used that wall paint a few times now, and whew, amazing, just as amazing as their actually chalk paint. So this is what we're going to use today, and we're going to use today the color Original, which you can find me right here. So you can see the color right there. Okie dokie. So we're gonna use this on the actually surface that it's already done and dusted so far.